Tired of boring salads and bland tofu scrambles? We've all been there, right? The monotony of the same old meals day in and day out can make any diet feel like a drag. But what if I told you that embarking on a vegan weight loss journey doesn't have to be a chore? That's right, friends. You can ditch the diet and embrace the plants. We're talking about a lifestyle change that not only benefits your health, but also tantalizes your taste buds. Imagine waking up to a protein-packed, spicy black bean scramble instead of that sugary cereal, or enjoying a rainbow veggie hummus wrap for lunch instead of that sad desk salad. And dinner? How about a Thai coconut curry that's as easy as it is flavorful? Today, we're breaking free from boring salads and bland tofu scrambles. We're talking easy, delicious, plant-powered recipes that make vegan weight loss a breeze. Scene script. First up, breakfast. Ditch the sugary cereal and dive into a spicy black bean scramble. Imagine starting your day with a breakfast that's as flavorful as it is nutritious. Our spicy black bean scramble is just that. It's a protein-packed, fiber-rich breakfast that will keep you satiated and energized throughout the day. And the best part? It's ready in under 15 minutes. Start with a can of black beans, rinsed and drained. Black beans are a fantastic source of protein and fiber, which are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Not to mention, they're a powerhouse of essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and vitamin B6. Next, add some bell peppers and onions to the mix. These veggies are not only a great way to sneak in some extra vitamins and minerals, but they also add a lovely crunch and sweetness that balances the hearty black beans. Then, it's time for the spices. Add a dash of cumin, a sprinkle of paprika, and a pinch of chili flakes for that perfect kick of heat. These spices not only add a world of flavor but also have anti-inflammatory properties and can help boost your metabolism. Now toss everything into a pan with a bit of olive oil. Sauté until the veggies are tender and the beans are heated through. This simple cooking method helps retain the nutrients in the ingredients while enhancing their natural flavors. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Top your scramble with some avocado slices. This creamy fruit is loaded with heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats and fiber. It's also a great source of vitamin C, E, K, and B6, and don't forget a squeeze of lime. This citrusy delight not only brightens up the flavors but also provides a burst of vitamin C, which is key for a strong immune system. Top it with avocado slices and a squeeze of lime, and trust me, you'll forget eggs ever existed. So there you have it. A spicy black bean scramble that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Enjoy! And don't get me started on lunch. Say goodbye to sad desk salads and hello to rainbow veggie hummus wraps. Now you might be thinking hummus and veggies really? But trust me, this is not your average wrap. Start with a creamy hummus base made from blended chickpeas and tahini. Chickpeas are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, and tahini, made from sesame seeds, is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. Together they create a smooth and satisfying spread that's the perfect glue for our rainbow of veggies. Speaking of veggies, let's bring on the color. Roast an assortment of your favorite vegetables like red bell peppers, orange carrots, yellow squash, green zucchini, and purple onions. Each color represents different nutrients and antioxidants, so you're not just making your wrap look pretty, you're also fueling your body with a spectrum of health benefits. Once your veggies are roasted to perfection, it's time to assemble the wrap. Spread a generous layer of hummus on a whole wheat tortilla. Whole grains like wheat are packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling full and supports a healthy digestion. Plus, they provide a hearty and flavorful base for our vibrant veggies. Next, pile on your rainbow veggies. Don't be shy, the more the merrier. This is where you can get creative, mix and match your favorite vegetables, or try something new. Last but not least, give your wrap a roll. Keep it tight, and you've got a portable, nutrient-packed lunch that's both delicious and beneficial for weight loss. Load it into whole wheat tortillas, and you've got a flavor explosion that keeps you fueled all afternoon. Each bite is a crunchy, creamy, colorful delight that's sure to brighten up your lunchtime. And the best part? It's all plant-based, so you can feel good about what you're putting into your body. So ditch that sad desk salad and embrace the rainbow veggie hummus wrap. Trust me, your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. Dinner time doesn't have to be complicated either. Whip up a Thai coconut curry in no time. When the sun sets and your stomach starts to grumble, there's nothing quite like the comfort of a warm, hearty dish. And what could be better than a Thai coconut curry, vibrant in color and packed with flavor, yet simple enough to be a weeknight staple? Let's start by gathering our ingredients. We'll need an array of vegetables. Think broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and bell peppers. The beauty of this dish is its versatility. Feel free to toss in whatever veggies you have on hand. They're all welcome in this flavor fiesta. Next, we'll need some coconut milk, the star of our show. Not only does it lend a luscious creaminess to our curry, but it's also a fantastic source of healthy fats. Then we'll need some Thai curry paste, a powerhouse blend of spices and aromatics that will add depth and complexity to our curry. Now let's get cooking. Start by sautéing your chosen veggies in a large pot until they're tender and slightly caramelized. This will help to unlock their natural sugars and enhance their flavor. Next, add your Thai curry paste and stir well to ensure every piece of veggie gets coated in that fragrant spice blend. Once your kitchen is filled with the tantalizing aroma of spices, it's time to pour in the coconut milk. Give everything a good stir, then let your curry simmer away, allowing the flavors to meld together. As it cooks, the coconut milk will thicken slightly, creating a rich velvety sauce that lovingly coats each vegetable. While your curry is bubbling away, cook up some brown rice or quinoa. These whole grains are a wonderful source of fiber and will provide a satisfying base for your curry. And finally, when everything is ready, spoon your curry over your grain of choice and sprinkle with fresh cilantro. This herb adds a pop of color and a burst of freshness that perfectly balances the creaminess of the curry. Serve it over brown rice or quinoa and top it with fresh cilantro for a taste bud vacation. Dinner is served, and you've just created a plant-powered feast that's as nourishing as it is delicious. Bon appetit! Let's not forget snacks. Ditch the processed junk and snack smart with baked cinnamon chickpea bites. Now who said snacking can't be fun, delicious, and healthy all at once? These bites are proof that you can have it all. Imagine taking a handful of chickpeas, those humble, protein-packed legumes, tossing them in a blend of warming cinnamon, a touch of sweet maple syrup, and a pinch of sea salt. After a quick trip to the oven, they transform into crispy, crunchy bites that are a real game changer. They're perfect for those mid-afternoon cravings when you need a little pick-me-up. And the best part? They're just as easy to make as they are to munch on. But let's say you're in the mood for something a bit more refreshing. Perhaps you've just come back from a run, or you're lounging on a sunny afternoon, and you're craving something light and vibrant. How about a fruit salsa with mint? Yes, you heard that right. This isn't your typical salsa. It's a riot of colors and flavors, brimming with juicy, ripe fruits like strawberries, mangoes, and kiwis, all finely chopped and mixed together. Toss in some fresh mint leaves for an invigorating kick, and a squeeze of lime to bring all the flavors together. You can scoop it up with some homemade cinnamon chips, or even top your morning oatmeal with it. It's a versatile snack that's as nutritious as it is delicious. It's bursting with vitamins and antioxidants, and the mint not only adds a refreshing touch, but it also aids digestion. These snack ideas are not just about curbing your hunger in between meals. They're about enjoying the process of creating something delicious and healthy from scratch. They're about the joy of tasting fresh, whole foods that nourish your body and soul. So go ahead, give these snacks a try. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just dipping your toes into plant-based eating, you're sure to find these snacks a delight. Or whip up a batch of fruit salsa with mint for a refreshing tropical treat. Remember, vegan weight loss isn't about deprivation, it's about abundance. We've explored a world of flavorful, nutrient-packed meals today, from the protein-rich spicy black bean scramble to start your day, to the vibrant rainbow veggie hummus wraps for lunch and the soothing Thai coconut curry for dinner. And let's not forget the tasty snack options like baked cinnamon chickpea bites and the refreshing fruit salsa with mint. All these recipes make weight loss an enjoyable journey rather than a struggle. These are just starting points. The world of plant-based cuisine is vast and colorful. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations of flavors and ingredients. Your kitchen is your playground, and now we would love to hear from you. Share your own unique vegan recipes and experiences with us. So ditch the boring diet, embrace the plants, and let's make vegan weight loss a delicious adventure. Leave your favorite easy vegan recipes in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more plant-powered goodness.